Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to compare cars with the CarWale app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the CarWale app. On the bottom, on the menu bar in the middle, you can see this compare icon. Tap on it, and on the top you have to select two cars. Here, tap on select car. Let's say BMW 8 series support, and tap on the other box to select car. Let's say Ford Figo titanium blue. Tap on compare cars, and here you can see the comparing. On the left side is the BMW, and on the right side the Ford, the fuel type. For example, the BMW is petrol and the Ford is diesel, and you can see the details next one by one. You can search for features, the opinions, and the colors. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.